This very chairman of INEC, Professor Mahmood, has actually not done well. He has done poorly because at a point in time, he earned the confidence of Nigerians, and then suddenly he squandered it, like 2023. The investment INEC put in mobilizing Nigerians and the confidence of Nigerians, both at home and in diaspora, and the participation was massive. You see, the statistics they released as a result of the 2023 election does not at all resemble 30% of the election. Because if over 80 million Nigerians collected their PVC, and we have records of, mass movement of Nigerians in diaspora coming home to vote, and there are physical and empirical evidence, like in my polling unit, in the whole of my political career, I have never witnessed the number of people that turned out in 2023 to vote. That number had never been. In fact, it tripled the number of people that come out. So it's just impossible to accept the figures they have rolled out. He would have been one of the heroes of our democracy, but he squandered it in 2023. And all those bearing the name Mahmood in future in Nigeria may need explanation to escape the anger of Nigerians. He has left for that family a heritage of bad legacy that his children and great-grandchildren will live with, because Nigerians will always say Mahmood was the very person who midwifed Nigerian democracy into the abyss.
What of the judiciary?